Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The anticipated 2026 Kenworth Mega Sporty Motorhome, which combines the renowned strength and capability of Kenworth's heavy-duty truck chassis with an unexpected focus on dynamic appearance and refined performance, marks a fascinating progression in the luxury recreational vehicle industry. By combining unmatched luxury with a more engaging driving experience, this innovative vehicle seeks to redefine what it means to be sporty in the motorhome market. The Mega Sporty Motorhome would be built on a specially modified Kenworth chassis, which is well known for its strength and ability to support heavy loads. To improve its dynamic qualities, this version would include major engineering changes, in contrast to conventional, more practical motorhome conversions. This may include modern braking systems appropriate for a car of its size, a sophisticated air suspension system tuned for comfort and enhanced handling stability, and possibly even a specifically calibrated steering system for a more responsive feel. Without a doubt, the powertrain would consist of a heavy-duty, high-output diesel engine that is tuned for efficiency and performance, offering enough power for long highway cruising and smooth climbing of difficult hills. The outside style would be a dramatic divergence from the aesthetics of a typical motorhome. The sporty moniker would be demonstrated by streamlined aerodynamics, perhaps with integrated lighting signatures, subtle ground effects, and custom alloy wheels that allude to the vehicle's performance goals, all while maintaining the commanding presence that is typical of a Kenworth. In order to emphasize its distinct personality, the paint scheme may go beyond typical RV palettes and offer deeper, more metallic hues or even personalized designs, while modest architectural features would provide a consistent, yet experimental visual language. Large, carefully positioned panoramic windows would blur the boundaries between interior and exterior. The interior of the 2026 Kenworth Mega Sporty Motorhome would be transformed into an opulent and cutting-edge mobile home. In order to create an atmosphere of elegant comfort, the cabin would be painstakingly constructed with premium materials like premium leather, polished wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents. The design might have an innovative floor plan with slide-outs for more space while parked, and it would be tailored to the unique requirements of dynamic transport as well as expansive living. In order to guarantee connectivity and convenience, a cutting-edge infotainment system, integrated smart home technology, and sophisticated driver assistance systems would be included. The bedrooms, gourmet kitchen, and spa-like bathing facilities would all be furnished with the best fixtures and finishes, creating an atmosphere akin to that of an upscale luxury home. In the end, the 2026 Kenworth Mega Sporty Motorhome would cater to a certain market of wealthy travelers who want their recreational vehicle to provide them with the highest level of luxury and room, as well as an unexpectedly captivating and secure driving experience. It would serve as a monument to engineering skill, demonstrating that on the wide road, elegant sportiness and unwavering luxury can coexist with massive scale and powerful capability.